Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, we will be taking a look at how to watch local channels on YouTube TV. Now, if you don't know, then with the help of YouTube TV's plan, you will get the feature of local channels. So in order to access that, you need to first come to tv.youtube.com, and here you need to simply log in into your account first. Now if you have the subscription, you need to click on this live section, and after doing so it will show you all of the channels that are currently working. Now over here you can easily sort it by with the help of these filters out here. And in order to watch the local channels, you need to make sure that you have allowed YouTube TV to access your location. If you haven't done this, then in your PC you need to just enable the location so that YouTube TV could find your location. And if you are using your mobile device, then you need to do the same so that it could show you all of the local channels. You will be able to view them in this live tab. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.